Hi everyone, I'm Silverwolf, and in this video I'm going to be doing a special unboxing of a special Furby. Now this is another one of my Furby grails. I found one on eBay the other day and I bid on it. No one else bid, which is really lucky because this is quite a rare Furby. And well, I got this Furby. So I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it to you. I thought I'd do it on camera because it's a nice little surprise for everyone. So this is a 90s Furby. It's not a baby, it's an adult one. And there's something special about it. I'm glad it's nice and sunny today because it really needs some good light to show it off. So he's been nicely packed here in bubble wrap. Open him up. Got some batteries for him as well, and here he is. He is the sparkly champagne Furby. You can see his sparkles there. They're all different colours as well, which is really nice. See them all shining in the light there. It's in really nice condition as well. And he looks fantastic in real life. I don't know how well he's showing up on the camera here, but he looks amazing in real life. He's so sparkly. You can see here. So I'm going to pop some batteries in him and get him working. There we go. He started up as soon as I put the batteries in.
Again. You tickle me. Hey, me, no, see you. Uh-oh. Pet again. Pet me.
He's going to go to sleep in a minute if I keep petting him.
Hug me. Do 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 do. Yum. Hungry. Yum. Yum. Hug me.
So as you can see, he's working just fine. My battery is playing up for some reason. It just said to charge it, but it's absolutely fine. It is fully charged. Yeah, so he's working absolutely fine, and he is very shiny. I didn't know all these sparkles were all different colours either. Pretty cool. Funnily enough, at the same time as I was bidding on him, there was another one up on eBay, and it's brand new in box. It is the same type of Furby as this, and it's over £200 to buy. So this one I got for $14.99, which I think was a real bargain for such a rare Furby. Yes, it's always nice when you find a bargain on eBay, and my Furby count has gone up to 23 now. So they are multiplying still, even though there aren't any new ones. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this special unboxing. And I've got another Furby grail to add to my collection. I'm only after one more, I think, now. That might change in the future, though. I might find another one I want. But at the moment, there's only one other I'm looking for. Which is, again, another rare one, so wish me luck on getting it. So, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you want to see more of the Furbies, you can click either box that comes up below. And you will see this one in future videos as well. I'm really happy with my purchase. This is Silverwolf signing off.